Have you ever wondered why you have your father's eyes but your mother's smile? The answers began in a quiet 19th century monastery garden with a monk named Gregor Mendel. For 8 years, Mendel bred thousands of pea plants to unlock the secrets of heredity. He noticed that traits, like flower color, didn't just mix together like paint. This led to his first discovery, the law of segregation. He realized every organism carries 2 factors for a trait, which we now call alleles. During reproduction, these alleles separate, so offspring get only 1 from each parent. Next is the law of dominance. Some traits are stronger than others. If a dominant allele is present, it masks the recessive one. The hidden trait only appears if the masker is gone. Then comes the law of independent assortment, which explains nature's variety. It states that inheriting one trait, like color, doesn't change how you inherit another, like shape. While Mendel was ignored in his lifetime, his laws are now the foundation of modern genetics. From solving crimes to curing diseases and improving our food, Mendel's legacy is everywhere. We are each a unique masterpiece, written in the code Mendel first discovered in a simple pea plant.